So if for whatever reason your Mac Studio display is not turning on, the number one thing that you need to do is you need to take the monitor here and then you will need to spin it around essentially. And then once we spin it around, what you will notice is that there is two Thunderbolt ports and there is also two USB-C. Now the Mac Studio display turns on automatically once you connect sort of a Mac Mini or any other device such as a MacBook or whatever it may be. Now as you can see here, I am connected to a USB-C Thunderbolt 5 port, and what you will notice is that the screen is currently working. Now what you can do is you can try a different port here to see if this one is faulty for whatever reason, and if it works in a different port, you know that this one is faulty if that's the one that you're using on your device. And if none of these work, the old unit might be a faulty unit. So what you will need to do is contact Apple and get their advice on this, and then they will then be able to replace it or fix it on your behalf. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix the Mac Studio display not working.